In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gemini AI image generation if it's not working or available. Let's dive right in to ensure you can get back to creating those amazing images without any frustrations. First up, you'll want to make sure that the image generation feature is available in your region. This is a crucial initial step because if it's unavailable in your region, trying further troubleshooting might not resolve the issue. Simply check online or consult your service provider to confirm whether this feature is accessible where you are. Next, what you'll need to do is to open Gemini Chat. This allows you to access the portal where the image generation service is located. Make sure you're on the correct page or app where Gemini services are typically hosted. Once you're in, look for the model drop-down menu. This option is usually found either at the top of the interface or within a settings menu, depending on the layout of the platform you're using. Once you've located the model drop-down, go ahead and click on it. You will be presented with a selection of different models. Here, select either Gemini 2.0 Flash or 2.5 Pro. These are the models equipped with the latest features and optimizations for image generation. Choosing the correct model ensures that you're using a version well supported for image creation tasks. Moving on to the next step, it's important you sign in with a personal Google account. Sometimes business or restricted accounts may not have access to all features, so switching to a personal account can make the difference. If you're not logged in already, go to the login prompt and provide your credentials. Now, once you're signed in, navigate to myactivitygoogle.com. This site is where you manage your Google account's data and activity settings. It's essential because your Gemini AI application requires certain settings to be enabled for seamless operation. When you're on the My Activity page, you'll want to open the activity controls. This area lets you adjust settings related to your Google account's activities. This is crucial as the next step involves ensuring a specific control is active. Within the activity controls, look specifically for the Web and App Activity option. Make sure this setting is turned on. Enabling Web and App Activity allows Gemini to process and remember your interactions more effectively, leading to better image generation results. Finally, once you've made sure all the settings are correctly configured, the last step is to refresh Gemini. This refresh allows Gemini to apply all the changes and update settings accordingly. After refreshing, try using the image generation feature once more. By following these steps, you should have successfully fixed any issues with Gemini AI's image generation functionality being unavailable or unresponsive. Enjoy being back on track with your creative projects.